Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a crucial accessory for anyone who relies on their OKI SATO CG4 series label printers, the Accessory USA AC/DC adapter. If you've ever found yourself in a bind with a lost or malfunctioning power supply, you know how essential a reliable replacement can be. This adapter steps in as a fantastic, high-quality alternative designed to keep your operations running smoothly. Right off the bat, one of the most reassuring aspects of this Accessory USA adapter is its unwavering commitment to safety. It proudly carries CE, FCC, and RoHS certifications. These aren't just a string of letters. They signify that the product meets stringent international standards for safety, electromagnetic compatibility, and environmental responsibility. This means users can trust that the adapter has been rigorously tested and approved for safe operation. Beyond those foundational certifications, the manufacturer has built in robust protection mechanisms that truly set this adapter apart. We're talking about OVP, which is over-voltage protection, OCP, or overcurrent protection, and SCP, which stands for short-circuit protection. What this translates to for the user is absolute peace of mind. The adapter is intelligently designed to safeguard both itself and, more importantly, your valuable OKI SATO printer from potential electrical mishaps. Whether it's an unexpected power surge, an excessive current flow, or an accidental short circuit, this adapter acts as a vigilant guardian, ensuring your equipment stays safe and operational, preventing costly damage. Now, it's important to acknowledge that this is a new replacement adapter, not an original OKI SATO branded one. However, Accessory USA has gone the extra mile, testing it rigorously to match and even exceed the OEM specifications. This isn't just a generic power brick. It's engineered to deliver the precise power requirements your CG4 series printer needs, ensuring optimal performance without compromise. Users can expect the same level of reliability and efficiency as with an original power supply. Compatibility is, of course, paramount, and this adapter is specifically designed for the OKI SATO CG4 series, including popular models like the CG412DT, CG412TT, CG412DT IEE 1284, and CG412DT LAN Direct Thermal Transfer Bar code label printers. Before making a purchase, it's always a smart practice to double-check your specific device's model number to ensure a perfect and seamless fit. This attention to detail ensures that the adapter will integrate flawlessly with your existing setup. The design itself is practical and user-friendly. It features a wall mount type, which can be incredibly convenient for keeping your workspace tidy and free from unnecessary cable clutter. Simply plug it directly into an available outlet, and you're ready to power up your printer, making setup quick and effortless. In essence, if you're in need of a dependable, safe, and high-performing power supply for your OKI SATO CG4 series printer, the Accessory USA AC/DC adapter presents itself as an excellent choice. It combines essential safety features with tested performance, offering a reliable solution that keeps your critical label printing operations running smoothly without interruption. It's a smart investment for anyone looking for a quality replacement that won't let them down and provides exceptional value.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.